Hey y'all, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 20. Today we are doing one of my favorite types of videos to do, and it's a lookbook. But today's video is going to be a holiday lookbook, of course. I put together a few festive outfits, and these outfits are for everything. And these outfits are for everything that the season might throw at you. Shopping, classroom, chill night, parties, all of it. Alright, let's get into it. One is my Christmas shopping fit. Comfy, cute, and perfect for running errands. A cute oversized sweater, leggings, and my go-to sneakers. Ever since I bought these, y'all, I love them. I'm wearing them down to the ground. This is the outfit you throw on when you're going to be out all day. Look number 2 is the coziest option. A matching pajama set for a Christmas movie night. Add fuzzy socks, a cute little holiday hat or headband, and a mug of hot cocoa for the full vibe. 10 out of 10 comfort. Would wear every day if I could. These pajamas are so comfy, cozy, and warm. You know I have to throw in a teacher look. This one is classroom friendly, but still seasonal, festive vibes. A knit dress, some cute little heels, cute, warm, and appropriate for all the chaos we deal with in December. And if you all know me, I like to be fashionable. I like to be cute. Although I'm a teacher, okay, I love to wear my heels. And the outfit is going to be tea every time. Look number 4 is for the holiday parties. A cute, simple knit dress with matching boots. Gives that monochromatic look. And to add a little bit of color, we're going to put the cardigan over it. It's optional. For that seasonal sparkle and razzle dazzle, we're going to add a cute little headband. And for the holiday season, if something ain't shining on me, I'm not wearing it and I'm not going. Look 5 is the stay at home cozy girl fit. A soft lounge set and slippers. So this is cute to put on when you want to lay around the house. You may not know where you'll be going or what you might be doing that day, but you're ready. But you're also comfortable and ready to stay in. Perfect for wrapping gifts, cooking, or doing absolutely nothing. I will take option 3. Thank you. Look 6 is my clean girl errands outfit. Black turtleneck, white lace pants, and a cute little headband, or you can put on a baseball cap. It's giving put together without really having to try. And look number 7 is your Christmas Eve dinner or church outfit. A satin skirt, cozy sweater, and booties. Simple, elegant, and perfect for pictures. Alright y'all, that's my holiday lookbook for Vlogmas. Comment down below which look was your actual favorite and which one you would wear. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and come back tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 21. Bye y'all.